In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a scrolling logo banner in Squarespace that will help add a dynamic touch to your website. Our first task involves adding a new gallery section on your page, which will house all the logos that we will be scrolling. To do this, move to the area where you want to put your banner, click on the plus icon, and select the gallery or images layout from the different section layout options available. You have complete creative freedom to choose the most suitable layout according to the overall design of your website. Next, we move on to uploading the logos that you want to feature in your banner. You can do this by clicking on the Edit button on the top left corner of your gallery section. Then, navigate towards the Upload button and start uploading your chosen logos. For the best result, we recommend using logos that are similarly sized. This will ensure a consistent and professional appearance to your scrolling banner. Additionally, PNG format images with transparent backgrounds are typically the best choice. The transparent background will make sure the logos blend in well, regardless of the color scheme of your website. The third step involves enabling the section slider. For this, you have to dive into the settings of the gallery section you've just created. Once you're in the settings, find your way to the Advanced tab. Under Advanced, you'll see an option for Square Kicker extension. Clicking on this will reveal another setting named Section Slider. You want to make sure you enable this feature. Following this, our next focus is to activate the Scroll option. This is actually what will give us the constant scrolling effect that we're looking for. In the same Section Slider settings, look for the Scroll option and enable it. Be sure not to confuse this with the Slide option. While the Slide option also enables movement, it does not give you the same continuous effect as the Scroll option. Finally, turn your attention to adjusting the settings of the slider according to your taste. Still, in the same Square Kicker extension, you'll find a multitude of customizable features, from the scrolling speed to direction, and numerous other options. Take some time to play around with these and adjust them until they align perfectly with the look you're trying to achieve. With these steps, you're on your way to having an attractive and easy-to-create professional scrolling logo banner on your website. Squarespace makes the process simple and enjoyable, and the results can be a game-changer in terms of visual appeal. Enjoy experimenting with your new tool, and happy building!